Hello everyone. Today we will start the commonly used repertory of computer software, that is radar. Full form: Rapid Aid to Drug Aimed Research. It is one of the best program for Windows Macintosh. It is based on Synthesis. This is the only system having complete repertory and system repertory in one platform. Now we will see different publications of radar. First edition came in the year 1987. Then comes the book version, that is in 1993. Indian version came in 1996. 10th version of radar came in the year 2007. 10.5 came in the year 2009 and radar opus came in the year 2010. Now we will see the gradations of the medicines used in radar. First is red bold capital underline, 4 marks. Then red bold capital, 3 marks. Blue italics, 2 marks, and Roman, 1. It has created sensation in the field of homeopathy by adding Encyclopedia Homeopathica, the largest, most reliable and structured homeopathic reference library, which contains unique features such as more than 681 titles such as Murphy, Scolton, George Vithelkus, and many more in it. There are more than 2 lakh pages of homeopathic literature. There is direct connection between repertory and Mathematica. It includes not only Mathematica but also philosophy, seminars, therapeutics, cases, and journals. Browsing through encyclopedia like a book, and new revolutionary graphic interface. So these were the important features of radar. Now, Encyclopedia Homeopathica. It is the world's largest, more reliable and structured multilingual homeopathic reference library, currently in 7 languages. There are more than 390 volumes in English, more than 2 lakh pages of literature, contains complete content of each book, quick search for any word, combination of words or phrases, integration between repertory and Mathematica, ability to search for remedies, cases and pathologies, repertorize directly into Mathematica, advanced multimedia capabilities, and last, extract multiple cases of a particular remedy from current and classical literature. Then now important features of radar opus that came in the year 2010. It is a single intuitive interface for everything. Features which make radar opus are: first is all-in-one interface. One interface gives access to all data and function together, including repertories, Mathematica, and patient management. Second one is comprehensive search. Helps all users to search in all sources at one time. It may be Mathematica or repertory. Then it has 25 plus repertories. This is another advantage. Next is concept and families. It helps users to find the correct symptom. Family is everything that has to do with the group of remedies or relationship of remedies. Fifth, references. It has reference of 1540 plus books and volumes. It is the largest collection of book that any software has till date. It includes Mathematica, repertory, and other dictionaries. Sixth point, much more than repertorization. It also includes pictures, videos, etc. to make learning more hands-on and interesting. Seventh, WinChip, patient management software. It helps to keep track of all patients. And the last is VES system, Vithelkus Expert System. This repertory uses set of rules that produce thinking of George Vithelkus, who was a very renowned homeopath. So this was all about radar. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe the channel to get such more videos.